Welcome. If you want to turn on or turn off camera watermark in your Nokia G20, at the first you have to go for the settings, and then you can find the watermark option right here, so we can turn it on or turn it off by tapping on the switcher. So when you want to turn it off, click turn it on and tap set. Here you can go for the personal message, for example, and you can type something. For example, we can type hello, click OK. You can also enable here the device information, and here you can also change the theme. And let's take photo with the watermark. It will appear probably on the left bottom corner. As you can see, here's the watermark that we set up. And if you want to turn it off, as I said before, you have to go back for the settings and then tap on the switcher to get rid of that. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.